Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today I have some sad news to the Club Penguin fans. It's shutting down at the 29th of March. But this will be a short video. But Club Penguin Island will be out. So, don't have to worry. And if you want me to, I can make a Club Penguin video if you wanted. So, just ask me and I can do it. Let's just open a pack while we're waiting. The video pack. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Deepay informed. Oh my gosh! And then we have Zepero and other bad things like that. So basically, I was only supposed to be recording something to do with Club Penguin. But let's open the second pack because this is lucky packs. These are lucky. Alright, not that good. Not that good. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. Boom. Massive look. Massive look. Right, let's look. Glitchy rubbish. Sorry, glitchy fans. Another. No way. Another red. Alright. No way. No way, this is lucky. Barry. Everton. Woo. These are the 2017 packs. So let's keep opening some of these packs. Goalkeeper Joe Hart. I didn't know he moved to Torno. I thought he was still in Manchester City, but apparently I was wrong. What is happening? We're getting so good cards now. That doesn't make sense. So many good cards. Zaza. It's Zaza. We have Chinese Honda. Chinese Honda, right mid, or Japanese. Maybe Japanese. I've got to search this up, I don't know. Shall we do it? The up the stairs pack. 3, 2, 1. That's rubbish! Hernandez. Wait, he's actually quite good. No, he isn't. No, he's rubbish. A right-wing Egyptian player. We got Danny Rose as well, I think. I think it may be Danny Rose. Oh, God. Let me go look. Oh, the new look. And the throw pack equals another rare gold. Vitalo. Right, I need to do them lucky packs. the Lucky Pack video pack. Alright. You're the guys you can see. I'm not going to be able to see the card. A right back, rubbish. Right, I can see this one. So, this will be our last pack of the video. In 3, 2, 1. No, we will do 6 more packs, you know. And at the 3rd one, I will leave a like. Let's see how many likes we can get on this video. Let's see. 1. Oh! Neuer! No way! I got Neuer. Super. Alright. Let my phone just pop up right here. So let's just, oh god no. Next pack, 3, 2. Alright, we're gonna do a should we do a like spike? Even though it is not a live stream. We're going to do one to open this pack. In 3, 2, 1. Like spike! If you did not know what a like spike was, we'll try it again. You shout like spike. Don't wake your neighbours up. You shout like spike, you wave your hands in the air, hashtag like spike in the comments. Do it again at the end of the video. Number 4. We're getting bad packs now, aren't we? Our luck has run out. This will be a like spike pack. Remember what a like spike is. Wave your hands in the air, shout like spike, do not wake your neighbours up. Put in the comments, hashtag like spike. Alright, get it? Good. 3, 2, 1. Like spike! No, not welcome. The luck has run out. But, hopefully... Oh god no. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and guys, you can still play Club Penguin. But guys, remember, it will be ending on the 29th of March. And if you have not seen all my videos, it's because YouTube has not been letting you see them. So remember to subscribe and then hit the little bell thingamajiggy. And it's like a notifications button. And if you do that, you see them when I upload. Alright? So like, subscribe. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.